G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have got some new bar work for this old girl, so let's get stuck right into it. In this episode we prep and paint the bar work, complete a quarter chop and get this thing looking how it should. Alrighty, so I've gone and got myself some new bar work for the GQ. I'm sick of that stupid little factory bar and I'm sick of the factory bumper being on the GQ. So we've gone and upgraded to a few starcrew industry rear bar and front bar, and I'm so excited to put this bad boy on. But first we got to paint it, and to paint it we have this Raptor 1K paint, primer and paint, whatever it is good to go. So we've got a bit of metho, we got to metho the bar, make sure it's all clean so there's no imperfections in the paint, and we can get started. Take this old crappy factory bull bar off. Spotlights, and I've got some new eBay special bush doof lights to go in, so that'll be good. So we're going to get started on that. Take this bar off, do the lights, and get this thing ready to put the new front bar, bull bar, and the rear bar on. So I ended up getting a little bit carried away last night, got a little bit too dark to film, but I've ripped off the rear bumper here and the bull bar is now on the car. But now I have to basically start the quarter chop, and quarter chop you just sort of run across this line here and you're as good as gold. Hey mate, want me to start cutting? Yeah, you know what you're doing? Yeah, don't worry, I've got this. No, we're doing a quarter chop, not a dual cab chop. Oh, fuck! Done the quarter chop now, as you would have just seen. That's all cleaned up, tidied up, it looks nice. Happy with it. No one's really around to give me a hand, so I'm gonna try and attempt to put this rear bar on by myself. Well, it was a bit of a mission by myself, but we managed to get the rear bar on, done and dusted. It is solid. Tire's not, it's flat, but oh well. Yeah, I'll show you the bar now. So the good thing about the starcrew bars is it's got this little bit of a protection on the side, all solid. And then unlock this, open her up, gas strut opens it up, and it is bloody solid. I am stoked with how it's turned out. If you enjoyed this video and you like the Barwork, make sure you hit that like button. We're nearly at 2K subscribers and there's plenty more videos to come. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.